Your kid has an angry, hostility, horrible situation, and you want to get that anger controlled to some degree, what would you do initially?
Okay. I would set up a token economy, which is a fancy expression. All it means is that instead of your typical simple behavioral thing where you say if you're good, you get your allowance, if you're bad, you get less allowance, you really create a situation where everything that they get is based on earning points or not losing points. So it really is like a whole economy of their life.
So parents have to sit down before we do this. They're both going to respect the situation and don't override the other one. Is that correct?
Yes. They have to be together.
Because you can have a good parent and a bad parent situation.
Yes.
One gives in and one doesn't.
Right.
It has to be consistent.
Yes.
Is that really the first flaw you can have?
Oh, absolutely. Of course, that's the...
Or grandparents.
Oh, grandparents are... actually, yes. Grandparents in my practice are often vilified. Now, whether they deserve it or not, but I will say that a lot of the parents do say because so many parents are working and the grandparents are pinch hitting and taking care of the kids, that often those behavior schedules that we've really worked out together in the office get waylaid and sabotaged by the grandparents.
So it's a family group setting of parents, grandparents, caretakers, aunts, whoever you've been involved. They understand what you're trying to do, respect it, as long as it is done for the best interest of the child. Is that correct?
Yes. When I do my therapy with kids, especially with these impulse disorders, the attention deficit, I often have other relatives come in. I very rarely ever see a child alone in a room. I always involve at least one parent, bare minimum. But often I encourage grandparents, siblings to come in as well.